Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Red Dead Redemption 2 any kind of crashing or the keeps crashing problem on your PC. Guys, first you have to check you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. If you have it and if your game is still crashing, so this is the problem, so let's see how you can fix it. First go to the Windows site app at the update and simply open up your Windows update. Guys, this is very basic step. You just need to make sure that your Windows is updated. If your Windows is not updated, then just update it because sometimes updating your Windows will fix your problem. And then right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager. And you can also go to the Windows search and type in the task manager and simply open it. And guys, here you just need to close all the background processes you are seeing here because these processes will consume a lot of CPU or the RAM usage. So what you need to do is just close all the background applications you are seeing here. Obviously, when your game is running and these processes are also running, your game will crash. Then go to the startup and here you also need to disable all the background application because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission, cause a lot of CPU or the RAM usage. So you just need to disable these. Guys, the next important setting is go to the Windows search and type in the game mode settings and simply open it. And guys, here you just need to make sure that the game mode is on because this will close all the background processes when you are on the game that will prevent any kind of crashing problem. Now guys, we are going to set the high performance power plan. Go to the Windows setup with the control panel and open it. Now here you will see the view bar on the top and just select it to the large icon, then just click on the power options and then just click on the create a power plan option you are seeing here. And then just select the high performance power plan you are seeing here, then just click on the next, then just create the high performance power plan for your PC. This will prevent any kind of lag or the crashing problem on your game. And now guys, we are going to set the high performance on our game. Go to the Windows set type with the graphics settings and just open it. And guys, here just click on your Red Dead Redemption 2 game and just select it to the high performance. Then just click on the option and select it to the high performance so it will use all your graphic card power. To add the game, just click on the browse option and here you just need to locate the folder where your game is installed. So you just need to go to the game folder where your Red Dead Redemption 2 game is installed. Then just select your game launcher, then just click on the options and then just select it to the high performance. Guys, this is very important step. Then just close it from here. Now guys, we are going to increase our virtual memory whenever our game need more GPU to run, so our maximum number of virtual memory is used. So go to the Windows search and type at the view advanced system setting and just open it. Here you will see the advanced tab on the top, then just click on the settings, then go to the advanced tab, then just click on the change option, then just click on the custom site, then just select the C where your operating system is installed, then just uncheck this automatically, then go to the Windows search and type at the calculator and open it. And if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then just multiply to the 1024, which is the constant value, and just type here in the initial size and then just multiply to the 3 and just type this value in the maximum size. Now guys, your GPU memory is increased and whenever your game need more virtual memory to run, so your this disk space is used, then just apply this, click on the OK, then just click on the OK again. Now guys, we are going to increase our number of processors. Whenever our game need more CPU to run, so our maximum number of processor will be used. So go to the Windows search and type in the system configurations and this setting will appear on the top. And then go to the boot, then just click on the advanced options. Then just check this box and just select here the maximum number of processor you are seeing. If you are seeing here the 4, 8, 16 or the any value, then just select it, then just click on apply. Then just you must need to restart your PC to apply these changes. Then just open up the Steam and launch your game and your problem will be fixed definitely. And if your crashing problem is still not fixed, then you can lower your FPS in your game and also lower your resolution in your game. This will definitely fix your issue. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me. And I will see you guys in the next video.